Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a simple scarf tutorial. I'm going to be showing you a very easy, classy and sophisticated style you can tie. So first you want to put the scarf at the back of your head and then you cross the both sides in front of you. Once you do that, you make a twist at the top of the scarf and drop both sides down. Make sure it is tight and firm, and you go to the back, you make it a bun or just tie it at the back as I'm showing you right now. Once you tie it, ensure it is tight and then you tuck both sides in. I'm tucking the first side in to make sure that it doesn't fall off, and then once I'm done with this side, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Tuck it in, and then we have our beautiful, elegant, classy scarf you can rock to go out if your hair is not well laid or you just want to wear something simple. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. You can also share to your friends and family, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. I love you guys. Thank you much for the support, for the shares. I see your love, encouragement, and I'm so happy. And thank you so much. Bye now.